Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Good morning viewers. I once again welcome you all for the next set of videos on the upcoming New Year 2021. I wish you all a very happy and prosperous New Year 2021 ahead. Let us hope, unlike this 2020, let 2021 bring you all happiness and joyful day. One thing I wish to communicate, the transit predictions as well as the New Year predictions based on the planetary portion, it will impact only 15 to 20% on a person's horoscope. But the actual prediction is based on the current Mahadasa and Antardasa being running for that particular person. If a person is having a bad Mahadasa or Antardasa running in the transit, if the planetary portion is not so favorable, he may face many troubles. At the same time, if person's horoscope having a powerful Mahadasa and Antardasa running, the transit portion may not impact much on his horoscope. So this is something that everyone should remember. Now let us move ahead and find out the planetary portions during the New Year's beginning as well as the end of the New Year, so that we will come to a conclusion that how the planetary portions are, and from that I will give you the predictions of each and every zodiac sign. Before proceeding, if you are not subscribed to this channel, please keep this subscribed so that you will get all my updates instantly. On 1st of January 2021, we could see the moon is travelling on the Pushya star of Saturn. Also Saturn is very powerful at the 10th house, being a ruler, and Jupiter is also there along with Saturn there as a Nicha Bhanga Yoga. In this year, the beginning, you can see Mars is a ruler at the first house Aries, and second house being Rahu. In 8th house, you could see the Venus and Ketu together. You can also see all the planets are under the control of Rahu and Ketu also, and except Moon we cannot consider as part because it is a fast moving planet, but majority of the planets are under the control of Rahu Ketu, and so we can see that there is a Kala Sarpa dosha in the beginning of this year. You can also see at the end of the year, the same Kala Sarpa dosha is being continued. During the 31st December 2021, you could see the Moon is in the Jyeshtha star of Mercury. Again you can see all the planets are under the control of Rahu Ketu. Still the Kala Sarpa dosha is there at the end of the year also. You can see majority of the planets are there within the Rahu Ketu's limit. In the beginning of the year, Mars being a ruler in the first house Aries, you can see in the end of the year Mars being the ruler in the 8th house, that is Scorpio. So Mars being a ruler in the beginning as well as the end, so you can say this particular year people will be very energetic and they will be fast moving. So things will happen very fast when compared to the previous years. There will be so many changes that may occur in many countries. Also many countries may face heavy rains, heavy storm and winds due to the combination of Jupiter and Saturn together at the 10th house. You could see some people facing problems in the political side, many defeat for many leaders, and there will be upcoming of new leaders in most of the countries. During the end of the year, the chances of the justice may come in place. So there will be many problems, there will be many deaths also. So in considering the 2020 comparatively better, but still there is no much hope on the improvement in the case of the virus as well as other natural disasters. But slowly the issues may get declined during the end of the year. So first 3 to 4 months the severity will still continue. Now let us see for each and every zodiac sign how this 2021 would be. Aries, the first zodiac sign. For Aries, this 2021 is going to be a very good period. As you could see, in 10th house, Saturn as well as Jupiter are there together. And in Aries, you could see the beginning of the year, Mars is being a ruler. At the same time, the end of the year, Mars is going to be the ruler in its another house, Scorpio. So we can say, because of this Mars influence, people will work very fast and very hard. And all these things, so far they have been very slow in their approach. And now in this 2021, They will react to every situation and work fast and move ahead, and they will reach their goal in time. For Aries, people who are jobless for a long time and people who are freshers who are coming out of the colleges, there are chances they will get very good job opportunities. Many of them may find expenses, especially good expenses. We can say that the expenses due to their marriages, expenses due to the children's education, expenses due to the foreign trips, all this some good expenses will occur during 2021. For Aries, the second house Rahu is being placed there. Because of Jupiter aspecting the Rahu, majority of the period seems to be very good. The Jupiter being aspecting the Rahu of the second house. So the communication power will get increased, and whatever the income they are expecting, they will get it in time, and money may get settled in their life. The sixth house becomes very strong after Jupiter aspecting the sixth house of Aries, and because of which most of them were enemies to them, they become very friendly to them during this next year, and they'll be very supportive to them. They should be very careful in lending the money to others, because in the 8th house the Ketu is being there, and Rahu is also aspecting the 8th house, due to which if they lend money it will not come back to them in time. So they should be very careful in that. Children might study well during the next year, and they will pass out successfully and get good placements, and those who are doing school education they will get good colleges. So for children in this particular zodiac sign Aries, the time is being very good, and many of them will get good benefits out of their younger brothers, sisters, as well as their elder brothers, sisters. So there is a good time for them for this next 1 year. Because Saturn aspecting the 7th house as well as the 10th house, and in 7th house Jupiter is also aspecting the place, so they should be very careful in looking after the mother's health, because they will find some difficulties in this in the next 1 year, and there may be occasional disturbances in their health issues. Also, if they try to buy an asset, especially they buy a land or they want to construct a house, they may get succeeded, but at the same time they will face a lot of difficulties in achieving it. Also, for those who are looking for marriage or doing business, it's not so good time for them, because they should be very careful. For many people, the marriage arrangements may get delayed, and some may get in fact disturbed also. For those who are doing business, they should be very careful with their partners. They should have very proper legal documentations, and they have all the contracts signed, so that there won't be any mutual problems between the partners. Because the Jupiter is responsible for 9th and 12th house is being moved out to the 10th house and associated with the Saturn, many may get good fortunes from their fathers and fathers side. There will be a very good time in the next 2021. Some may get fortunes, some may get assets from their fathers, and whatever the pending issues will get resolved in this year. Those who are working as a teacher, basically as a religious teacher as well as in the spiritual teacher as well as the school education, they find very good time during the next 2 years. For teachers, this 2021 seems to be a very good period, and they can shine well during the later part of the year. The initial first 4 to 5 months will be a very difficult time for them, but after the June or July, there are chances they will get very good time. Some may get promoted and they have a very good income out of their profession. So those who are working in schools as well as in colleges, they will find very good time during this period. Those who are trying for military jobs as well as army jobs and medicines, there are good time in this 2021. They will get placed in a very good. Comparing all the planetary positions in 2021, Aries, the zodiac sign seems to be better when compared to the last year. So we can say there may be good fortunes up to 85% for 2021 ahead for Aries. For Aries, the second house seems to be good as Jupiter is aspecting the second house. Fourth house is an average predictions because of both Saturn as well as Jupiter aspecting the 4th house, so they should be very careful. For 6th house, since Jupiter is aspecting completely, they will have a good health and the enmities will get vanished. All these good things will happen. 7th house, since Saturn is aspecting, it is having some problematic areas where they should be careful again. 8th house, since the Ketu is there, it is again average, and in 10th house both Saturn and Jupiter are there, so the Karmasthana, the place where they work, it seems to be very powerful. Also the 12th house, which is a place where the Saturn is aspecting, so the chances of expenses is getting reduced, and most of the expenses will be of a very good positive way. And when considering all these planetary positions, you can say for Aries, this 2021 can bring them a good prospects of up to 85%.